Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, I'll be taking you to one of the markets here in Abuja known as Garki market, the old Garki market where we buy food stocks. I'll be showing you some recent costs of food ingredients in this market as well as in Nigeria, and I'll be buying some of it. Garki market is so large, so I'll be showing you just some part of it, and someday we'll come for more. So let's go to shop together. Let's dive into it. You want enter? Garlic, very fine. Are they come? I'll go buy food ingredients. Where do I even follow? Okay. I should go this way. Yep. Let me catch you. Invite me for you. No vessel, I just video your kayak. I will not catch you. Oh, just want to catch your kayak. How you they say tomato? 700. Bucket, uncle. 17. It's fine. Oh, 1,000. Oh, okay. No wahala. I just want to catch them. So a basket of tomato is sold now for 17, but this is season of tomato. Ordinary you get tomato for 700, 800 a basket, but this is the current price of tomato in Nigeria, and currently now you can see they are super fresh. It's season, everyone. Anyways, keep watching. I just want to catch them. Fresh onion. This one, the basket. 2,000. Wow. So everyone, this is the recent price of onions. Basket of onions, 2,000. Before now, you can get onions for 600, 700 a basket of onions, especially when it is season. Well, we are leaving onions and tomato behind. Let's dive into another ingredient. Okay, how you they say lemon? Eh? This one how much?
300 to 500.
Okay, hold on. You say how much?
300 to 500.
Hey, for lemon. As you share them, how much will they sell? As then they, so how much will they sell?
I said 300. I just say, well, if you won't buy two, I will give you 500.
So okay, as in then how much will you talk? Plates.
300 to 500. If
Maybe,
you won't buy one, 250.
So as the plate, they are no fee price them. You don't feel give me for 250.
Yeah, I will give you 250. May I give how many?
Only one plate I want to.
Okay.
Make me do one. Not be lie, ma they talk. Oh.
I know. I want to give this one.
That is turmeric.
Okay.
Oh wow. Things don't cost you.
Nigeria now, manage everybody they do now.
Maybe small manage.
Whatever they change.
So basket of orange is sold for 1,001 to why it is to be sold for 500. And then I have this green plantain. It just entered my eye. A bunch of this green plantain, it's not less than 2,000, 3,000. The owner did not tell me the price, everyone. So let's continue. Don't go away. Keep watching. So this dried fish section, catfish, asa, one single dried fish catfish is sold for 1,215 depending on the size. No, wait. Asa. How much be all these ones? Eh? Okay, how much is all these ones?
200.
200. Okay, not bad.
200.
Not bad.
This is ear parts.
I
Very
see.
nice.
I see.
This is bone part. Look at it, the other side.
Madam, well done. Oh. How you dey? Stockfish, oh, okporoko. Okporoko. And Cameroon pepper.
This stockfish, any type of stockfish you want.
Hand egusi, oh. This is
Hand peel.
hand peel egusi.
Look at how
no,
good.
it's just the crayfish I want to buy. Don't worry, next time.
No, I'm selling for another customer.
Okay.
Not you. You say half, ba?
Let me. Yes.
So the one pint of crayfish here I'm buying for 8,000, unlike before when we buy it for 4,000, 6,000. Now everything has doubled the price. Now why for Nigeria this paint?
Cinch in there.
Because press kwanya of ma abe netinye kwele chaff because no ya dem na agakwa pick go out.
There is no dirty in the crayfish.
Sure.
Are you videoing me?
I'm not catching you, I'm videoing that. Hello everyone, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like, comment, share my videos to your friends and families. And if you like this kind of video, market video, please let me know at the comment section down below and let me know what you think about this very video. Don't forget to subscribe because 2 videos are updated every week on this very channel. Yummy recipes, everyone. So yeah, super fresh for banga soup, you know. Using banga for fakwa madi. Ufakwa goya iri ledu banga. Na ma yekim ka. What's the difference this at eh? Le kwano fio. Mba no ya. So si hi na makememe. Mba.
So sa kam. Odo fio ga na manya.
Yes, so this is fio. Correct fio.
Ine ri ona de okay no nwero. O confirm food dey ya.
Confirm fio. Iwere achicha.
Achicha dey ya.
Ke ya biko.
Achicha ba.
Nke dịkwa fresh because
na fresh achicha dey.
Achicha ego na kwa tu. Achicha 1-2.
Agbo 1-2.
Ọkwa ya ka ya ji eri ha. Unu iresi m ya na ka chiri ebi ya. Antinye gị 1,000 nke m were 2 mudu. Antinye nye m 2. Nye m 2 mudu ke m nye gị 1,000 because ọ dịkwa fresh. Antinye m ya nọ na biko. Ị ga-enye m ya for that 1,000 biko. Anti biko. Ihe m na-arịọ gị like this. M ga-abịakwa ụbọchị ọzọ. M ga-abịakwa ụbọchị ọzọ igo.
Ọ dị oke achọrọ m ka ị bịa ogosi ọzọ.
Biko nye m ya biko 2 mudu. Anti akwa na 1-2 ga-ewepụrụ m ihe m na-ekwu 1,000 ya na 1-2. Anti ama no correct food.
Abakwa nke.
Ama no correct food. Biko
we dey ya. Arụ na fresh.
We
because of correct native ya.
We feel
correct.
Okay, you didn't want to have because so a mudu of achicha is 1,200 and before now you could get it for 600, 700, 800 at most, but you heard the woman is 1-2 and she did not remove a single naira from it, everyone. Well, This is the recent cost of food ingredients in Nigeria currently. Let's keep watching. Now this is abacha. Of this is 800. Before now you could get this for 400, 500, but now it is 800. Abacha for African salad, everyone. But it was super fresh, to be honest. All right, keep watching. We're still in this market stuff together. If you don't mind, I will not capture you.
Okay, I will see you now. Yes.
No mind me.
No,
I can't. Okay, so now so we buy. Now so we buy curry to something. Okay, now. Don't worry, you won't enter. But if you see yourself, it's not bad, child. I got curry that I used to buy for 1/6. Yeah, 1/6 I bought it last. But in this market today, I bought it for 2,200, 600 extra money, everyone. So this is not funny, but that is what we see currently in the market. What can we I'm sorry, oh. Chidekebe. Sorry, oh. Sorry, sir. Don't face a beg. I don't know, say my body don't reach. Okay, come give me how they sell them for mudu. So one mudu of opa seed, dry seed, is sold for 800. Before night, you can get it for 600, 500. So when I say mudu, the plate you see on the screen is called mudu in the northern part of Nigeria, and that is. Make I say more. This one they don't peel them. Yes. They don't peel them, ba? Okay. How they say for mudu? I don't even see her. Eh? Yeah, my camera. 800K. I don't catch her at all. Okay, no be 600. I want not to. Okay. We are go blend this thing. Okay, I go say fellowship to blend it for me. This one go good for cornstarch.
Yes.
You go grind them, ba? Use and do cornstarch. Abi, you get cornstarch, the one where you don't grind. How they say for mudu? This one?
No, we have it.
Now be that one there. You go. Okay, so this is white corn. This is not so white. For corn. Using it for cornstarch. A mudu of that white corn is 700. And in my last video, I featured this part where I went to blend. So this is local engine. If you want to blend any dry ingredient to make it very smooth, you use this. So while grinding my dry ingredients up, I saw this young group of youths. The other one I just showed is using his hand to wash pepper and transferring to the other one to blend. They are indeed hard working. Their job is just to blend all these tomatoes, pepper and onions. Is really nice. And here comes the guy. He's also a young boy blending my opa. It have to be blended super smooth, and to do that you need local engine like this. So, and it's going to be blending this for at least 3 or 4 times to make it super smooth, everyone. All right, keep watching. Well, be in front. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. In my next video, I will share with you all the food stocks I brought from the market, and very soon I will share more video with you on market tour. Thanks, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends and family. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.